In the high-stakes world of competitive cycling, carbon fiber is far more than a material. It is the very soul of machines built for Olympic glory. Our journey begins with aerospace grade carbon, where strength and weight are no longer a trade-off, but a perfect harmony of engineering and physics. Every strand is selected for its extreme tensile strength, ensuring that the final frame can withstand the immense power of the world's fastest professional sprinters. Automation meets excellence as we prepare these raw fibers for their transformation into a masterpiece of mechanical art and aerodynamic efficiency. The foundation of speed is laid here, where precision is measured in microns and every single detail is scrutinized by the world's leading material scientists. Our experts diagnose the surface integrity of every fabric roll, ensuring there are no microscopic defects that could compromise the integrity of the race frame. In this realm, perfection is the only acceptable standard. We analyze the microscopic world to build a machine that dominates the macroscopic world of racing. This initial validation sets the stage for a process that blends cutting-edge digital design with the irreplaceable touch of human craftsmanship and expertise. The evolution continues in the digital forge. Each frame is composed of over 500 unique carbon pieces, meticulously mapped out in three-dimensional space. We simulate the invisible forces of nature, optimizing every curve to slice through the wind with minimal resistance and maximum aerodynamic advantage for the rider. By calculating the orientation of every fiber, we ensure the frame is incredibly stiff where needed while remaining light enough to float up mountain peaks. Precision begins at the cutting table. The CNC blades move with an accuracy of 0.01 millimeters, turning sheets into complex structural puzzles. Each shape is specifically designed to handle localized stress, ensuring that the power from the rider's legs is transferred directly into forward motion. The waste is minimized, but the complexity is maximized. This is the stage where the blueprint starts to take its first physical, tangible form. Every piece is a critical component of the whole. There is no room for error when you are building the fastest bicycle in the world. Organization is key to quality. These trays hold the DNA of the bike, organized by layer and position to guide the assembly process perfectly. From the head tube to the dropouts, every section of the frame has a dedicated set of layers designed for specific load paths and stresses. The transition from digital code to physical reality is now complete. The stage is set for the most delicate part of the entire manufacturing process. Double-checking every dimension ensures that the layup will be flawless, paving the way for a frame that is as strong as it is beautiful. This is where robots give way to human intuition. The art of layup requires absolute patience and a level of focus that machines cannot replicate. The first layer determines the outer finish of the bike. It must be placed with zero wrinkles to ensure a perfect aesthetic and structural surface. Tactile feedback is essential. The technician feels for any imperfections, ensuring the carbon follows the internal geometry of the mold with absolute fidelity. Fiber orientation is the secret to performance. By angling the layers correctly, we can tune the frame to be stiff vertically yet comfortable over bumps. Resin acts as the bridge between fibers. Too much adds weight, too little compromises strength. The balance must be exact to achieve the target weight. Every millimeter is inspected. A single air pocket trapped between these layers could become a failure point under the extreme loads of a downhill descent. Heat is used to soften the pre-impregnated resin, allowing the stiff carbon fabric to drape perfectly over the most aggressive and aerodynamic frame shapes. The transformation is hypnotic. What was once a flat sheet of fabric is now taking on the complex, aerodynamic form of a world-class racing machine. We reinforce the areas that matter most. Extra layers are strategically added to the head tube and bottom bracket to handle massive pedaling torques. Hours of silent concentration go into a single frame. This is a labor of love, driven by the pursuit of the ultimate cycling experience. To ensure internal quality, we use an internal bladder, This will later be inflated to push the carbon against the mold walls from the inside. This pressure is what creates the high density of our carbon. It eliminates voids and ensures that the resin is distributed evenly throughout the structure. Precision extends to the parts you will never see. The internal finish of our frames is just as smooth and perfect as the outside.
Easy now, just a
The
little
mold
lower.
is closed. Hundreds of kilograms of steel come together to encase the delicate carbon layers in a high-pressure tomb for the next stage. Security is paramount. The bolts are torqued to exact specifications to withstand the immense internal pressures that will be generated during the curing process. The seal must be absolute. Any leakage of pressure or resin would result in a frame that fails our rigorous quality control standards. Even the molds are treated with reverence. Their polished surfaces are the key to the stunning, glass-like finish of the final carbon product. We monitor every variable. Sensors will provide a second-by-second account of the frame's birth inside the pressure chamber, ensuring a perfect cure every time. The manual work is done. Now, we hand the process over to the power of heat and pressure to finalize the structural transformation. The molds are encased in vacuum bags. This secondary layer of pressure ensures that every ounce of air is removed from the layup before heating. Listen to the sound of perfection. The vacuum pulls with immense force, crushing any remaining microscopic air bubbles out of the carbon structure. The plastic skin becomes one with the mold. This stage is critical for achieving the high fiber-to-resin ratio that defines elite racing frames. We verify the vacuum with scientific precision. Even the smallest leak could compromise the pressure balance inside the autoclave, leading to structural inconsistency. Enter the autoclave. This massive pressure vessel is the heart of the factory, where the final alchemy of carbon fiber takes place. The molds are positioned for optimal heat distribution. Inside this chamber, the laws of physics will be pushed to their limits to forge something extraordinary. The chamber is sealed. For the next several hours, the frames will undergo a transformation under pressures that mimic the depths of the ocean. Computers take control, following a precise curing profile. The temperature rises slowly to allow the resin to flow perfectly before it begins to harden. Inside, the environment is intense. The heat causes the resin to penetrate every fiber, creating a monolithic structure that is incredibly difficult to break. Time and pressure work in tandem. This is the cooking process that turns soft fabric into a material that is stronger and stiffer than steel. Controlled venting keeps the atmosphere inside the chamber stable. Every hiss of gas is a sign that the process is proceeding exactly according to plan. The energy inside is immense. We are quite literally baking performance into the frame, ensuring it will never lose its shape or strength over time. At a molecular level, a permanent bond is formed. The resin and fiber become a single entity, capable of enduring the harshest racing conditions on Earth. Cooling is as important as heating. A slow, controlled descent in temperature prevents internal stresses from forming within the carbon matrix of the frame. The birth is complete. Emerging from the heat, the frames are now solid, incredibly light, and ready for their final transformation into a racing machine. The reveal is always breathtaking. What was once a collection of fabric scraps is now a unified, high-performance skeleton ready to take on the world. Hand finishing is a lost art. Every frame is sanded by hand to remove any excess resin and prepare the surface for its final aesthetic treatment. The dust of performance. This meticulous process reveals the beautiful, raw weave of the T1000 carbon, showing off the complexity of the manual layup. The surface begins to shine. Even without paint, the raw carbon has a technical beauty that speaks to the high-end engineering hidden within its walls. Now, we test the limits. Every frame design must pass through our torture chamber to ensure it meets our uncompromising safety and performance standards. We apply forces that no human could ever generate. Thousands of newtons of pressure are used to simulate the most extreme racing scenarios imaginable. Real-time data confirms our engineering. We look for any signs of fatigue or premature failure, pushing the carbon to its absolute breaking point. The resilience of carbon is unmatched. It absorbs energy and returns to its original form, providing the snap and responsiveness that elite riders demand. We simulate a lifetime of abuse. Our frames must survive millions of cycles of stress without showing a single microscopic crack in the structure. The final coat is applied. We use an ultra-thin, high solid clear coat that protects the carbon from UV rays while adding minimal weight to the build. The transformation is stunning. The carbon weave pops with a three-dimensional depth that is the hallmark of a truly premium, handcrafted racing machine. The finish is flawless. It's a mirror for the world to see, reflecting the hard work and dedication of the artisans who built it. Quality control is our final gate. Only the frames that are visually and structurally perfect are allowed to carry our brand's prestigious emblem into the world. The final touch of identity. This logo is a seal of quality, representing centuries of combined experience in the pursuit of pure, unadulterated speed. With the final polish, the frame is complete. It is no longer just a collection of carbon and resin. It is a weapon of choice for champions. Behold the masterpiece, a perfect marriage of aerospace technology and human artistry, standing ready to redefine the limits of what a bicycle can be. Every component is chosen to complement the frame's performance. Every bolt is torqued to perfection. Every bearing spinning with zero friction for maximum speed. Innovation is visible in every line. This is a machine built without compromise, where every gram has been scrutinized and every watt of power accounted for. The ultimate test begins on the road. When the human heart meets the carbon soul, the result is a symphony of motion and incredible velocity. Feel the acceleration. The stiffness of the frame translates every ounce of effort into raw, forward momentum, leaving the competition and the wind behind. This is why we build. To provide the tools for humanity to conquer new heights, to break records, and to experience the pure joy of speed. The factory sphere, where science meets the road, and where the future of cycling is crafted, one fiber at a time, for those who never stop.